Hi all, greetings from the Isle of Man. Today I want to share with you the most interesting in my point of view and most useful facts that I've discovered, and really hope this video will help you to organize your future trip to this island.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need. Better days, is all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Just to give you an idea what are the best ways to come to the Isle of Man from Germany, for example. I was searching for a very long time. So you can basically take a ferry from Manchester, Liverpool, or Dublin, for example, and I think some other cities in the UK. I've read that it's possible to take a ferry directly from the Netherlands or Germany, but I wasn't able to find any, at least good offers. And be careful with the ferry. First, the prices are also pretty expensive, even more than an EasyJet flight, and it doesn't go very often, so, and often it's sold out, so many of the time slots were already sold out half a year ago, so something to check out. That's why we booked the flights. And something good to know, if you book separate flights, for example Munich, Manchester to the Isle of Man, is cheaper than to book the whole flight. So that's some small finding I had when I was arranging this trip. Second, and probably the most important thing to know, is where is the best place to watch the race. You can go to so-called grandstand. There are several places. One is called Fan Park, second one is called Noble Park, and the grandstand itself. You pay £10 per day to go on the tribune on the grandstand, and you pay €5 per day to watch from Noble Park or Fan Park. So you have a lot of food trucks. You can buy all kind of drinks or snacks, but it's quite expensive. You can walk through the area where the drivers are staying, so you can look into their huge trucks. We paid for the grandstand for one day, but it's really not so much that you see the start. You don't really want to spend the whole day watching there. So today we have taken the public bus, which costs for the whole day just £7 per person, and you can drive through the whole island and see where TT race is going through. Fact number one, Isle of Man is not part of the United Kingdom. It's a crown dependency. It has its own government and its own laws, and actually it has its own currency. So if you're withdrawing money, it's an ATM in here, you will get not British pounds but so-called Manx pounds, which are actually not accepted everywhere else in the Great Britain. Fact number two, being an independent place, they also have their own language, so-called Manx language, but most of the people just speak English. Fact number three, they have no official speed limit, and it's actually my favorite fact. A part of some built-up areas where they have specific speed limits in place throughout the whole island, you can drive as fast as you think you can. Police here will actually not give you a fine for speeding, but they would give you a fine for too risky driving. Another fact, and I've only written it on the internet, but I have not seen actually in reality, but apparently Manx cats have no tails. So apparently they have some very weird form of cats here who are born without tails, so to be checked. And of course the most famous, important attraction of the island is TT, so-called tourist trophy race. But it's not actually the only one which is really worth watching. As we were told yesterday, you have also another one in August. It's Isle of Man Grand Prix, I believe it's called, and they are racing classic motorbikes, and it's also super interesting and even more spectacular in some cases, because it's not obviously modern bikes, but vintage, very unique bikes. So maybe something else to check out. It's happening in August, right? And just a part of that, it's a super beautiful island with a lot of nice sights to discover, good food, very friendly people, and just, yeah, a lovely place to be. Absolutely worth visiting. One of the things I loved so much is Indian curry. You must try one, and it was so great. I will leave the link in the video description. And there was something really interesting to be aware of. The restaurant, it was not really small, but not very big one. They don't have license to sell alcoholic beverages, but there is a shop just next door to it, and you can bring whatever you like from there with you, and you get glasses and everything. So I found it really awesome. Yeah, and make sure to try it if you are on the Isle of Man. Thank you very much for watching.